I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your transaction log on HSBC, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your HSBC account. Open your web browser and navigate to the HSBC login page. Enter your credentials to access your online banking account. Step 2. Navigate to the account summary. Once logged in, look for the account summary section on the home page. This will give you an overview of your accounts and recent transactions. Step 3. Select the account. Choose the specific account for which you want to view the transaction log. Click on the account name or number to access its details. Step 4. Access the transaction history. Look for an option labeled Transaction History or View Transactions. This will take you to a detailed log of all transactions associated with that account. Step 5. Filter and review transactions. You can filter the transaction log by date type or amount to find specific entries. Make sure to check the date range to avoid missing any transactions. Remember, if you don't see the transaction history option, it might be hidden under a different menu like statements. Happy banking!